Here's a bonus track for Israel. One of our favorite cookies to make around Christmas time is Rugelach. Rugelach is basically a sweet cream cheese dough that you roll out like pizza dough and top with whatever you want. Roll each triangle up like a mini croissant and bake it. We're gonna make two kinds, a fig and chopped pecan and a raspberry and white chocolate. Let's get into it.
First, we'll make the dough. In a large bowl, mix 2½ cups of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it with a fork, then add 1 cup or 2 sticks of cold butter and 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. If you have a food processor, pulse this until it looks like coarse breadcrumbs. If not, use your hand to squish out most of the lumps. Then use a fork to work it the rest of the way. Put a sheet of plastic wrap on your counter and scoop out half of the dough. Smash it and knead it until it comes together into a ball. Then flatten it into a disc, wrap it up, and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Do this for the other half of dough also. Put the chilled dough on a floured sheet of wax paper and dust the top with flour. Then roll it out until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Spread the jam all over the dough. You might have to microwave it for 10 seconds if it's too thick to spread. You can use whatever jam you like. This one is raspberry. Sprinkle it with spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or cloves. Here, I'm using pumpkin pie spice. Then top it with mini chocolate chips or whatever nut you like, finely chopped. Don't forget, 1 handful for the chef. Cut it with a pizza cutter into slices. Then roll up the slices like a mini croissant. Put them on a cookie sheet lined with baking parchment and keep doing this for all the dough until you're done.
All right, once you've got them all rolled up, you'll pop them in a preheated oven set to 350 degrees for 25 minutes. This is the batch that I did earlier, so it's ready for a taste test. Remember, this one was the fig and pecan with pumpkin pie spice. I hope you like it. Until next week, Merry Christmas!